Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the water cycle. Now, with the water cycle, there are four main steps, and we're going to talk about each step together. Now, the four main steps of the water cycle are fueled by the sun's energy and gravity, and these four steps are a pivotal process in how the water cycle works. So, we're going to start with the very first step, which is evaporation. Now, evaporation is when the sun's energy heats up our oceans, lakes, streams, or any body of water, and water vapor forms in the air and goes into the sky and creates clouds. Now, after that happens, we have a process called condensation. Now, condensation is when water vapor that is in the air turns back into a liquid form. So it goes from a gas back into a liquid. And you can tell when there's condensation because if you leave a glass of water out, you can tell after a certain period of time you'll see the driplets of water on the outside. Or if you wake up in the morning and you find dew on the grass, the little droplets on the grass, or if you find dew on your window, those are all forms of condensation. So after we have condensation, we have precipitation. Now, precipitation is anything like rain, sleet, hail, or snow that falls out from the clouds, like we talked about earlier when in the evaporation cycle, the evaporation step, when the water vapor rises into the air and it collects in the sky. Precipitation is when that water vapor that's collected in the sky falls back down. And depending on the temperature, you can get a majority of different results. Like I said, you can get sleet, snow, anything like that. And then our last step is collection. Now, collection is when the precipitation has fallen back into the ground and has fallen back into the ground, our oceans, lakes, our streams, back into those bodies of water, and it's basically collected or created more of what was already there. Now, most of this you'll find under the ground, in the soil. It goes into the trees. It goes to help the plants, all that good stuff. And you can tell because a lot of the times after there's a big rain, you'll see the grass starts to grow a lot faster, and you'll see your plants start to grow a lot faster, and all that stuff. So yes, these are the four main steps of the water cycle.